I've seen Jesus play flames in a lake of fire. I was standing in. Met the devil in Seattle. Spent 9 months inside lion's den. Met the devil yet another time. He showed me glowing light within. Time I glare into the eyes of my best friend. Says my son, it's hard enough. Someday you wake up hungry. Go and try to have some fun. Spend one to everyone you meet and greet and cheat along the way. Somewhere out there, far beyond this place, where reptile living's made of light, cut you open, pull out all your pain. Tell me how you make it legal, something that we all make in our brain. Some say it might go crazy, Lord, but it might just make you go insane. And every time I take a look inside the old and fabled book, I'm blinded and reminded of the pain caused by some old man in the sky. Psilocybin and DMT, they all change the way I sing. Love's the only thing that's ever saved my life. Fairy tales of blood and wine, and turtles all the way down the line. To each their own as we go home. All the realms our souls must roam, through and through, divided by this maze we all call space and time.